I got to ask this question this morning. How do I manage the emails that LinkedIn Sales Navigator sends me? I'll show you how to do that in this video. So it all happens right here. I'm logged into Sales Navigator. I click on my headshot right there. I click on settings. So under settings, here's my privacy preferences, how I hide or don't hide. I never hide. And here's the email preferences. What kind of emails am I getting from Sales Navigator? There's 6 different email types. I can turn them on or turn them off right here. They're all going to go to my primary email address associated with my LinkedIn account. And then, by the way, while you're here, you might as well look at your alert preferences. There are 7 different alert preferences. I can turn those on or turn those off. These are what shows up in your Sales Navigator news feed or called alerts. Then down beyond the saved leads, I have alerts for saved accounts. And then I also have shared activity. This is if you're using Sales Navigator Team or Sales Navigator Enterprise, beyond the Sales Navigator Core licensing. And then I have some other alerts as well that could show up again in my Sales Navigator alerts or newsfeed. Hope this is all helpful for you. Bottom line, the question was all about email preferences. Here it is right here. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.